Welcome to this guided yoga meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, either cross-legged on the floor or on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Sit up tall, lengthening your spine, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each exhale, allow yourself to release any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Don't try to change your breath, simply observe it. As you continue to breathe, allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Next, bring your attention to your body. Starting at the top of your head, scan down through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. If you come across an area that feels tense, breathe into that area, allowing it to relax. visualize yourself standing at the edge of a calm lake. The water is still and peaceful, reflecting the beauty around it. You step into the water, feeling its coolness on your skin. The water reaches your waist, and you feel supported and weightless. As you continue to wade deeper into the water, you notice that your breath becomes deeper and more expansive. Your body feels light and free. As you reach the middle of the lake, you pause and take a moment to soak in the beauty around you. You feel calm and centered, and all worries and stresses have dissolved away. Stay in this peaceful place for as long as you like, breathing deeply and feeling the weightlessness of your body. When you're ready to return, take a few deep breaths and wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel. Notice any changes in your body or mind. Know that you can return to this peaceful place anytime you need to find calm and balance in your life. Take one final deep breath in and out, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Namaste.